Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is we're going to have the unboxing and a review of the NB Plus Smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and we have here another smartwatch, and this one is from Cosmic Tech Store, and you can get this one guys at around $23 on AliExpress. Okay guys, so we have here the product itself, and here is the box. We have here the smartwatch icon in the middle, and we have here the design of the charger. And on the sides, you can see there are many watch faces that you can choose, and also its features. Okay, and you can choose guys to different kinds of color that you like. So you can get this one guys in red, blue, pink, and white. Yes, and here at the back, as you can see there, the quick specifications. So the display guys is 1.75 inch. That's 385 by 385 TFT screen. And the battery capacity, it's 200 milliamperes, and guys, it says there IP67, but I actually do not recommend you to do so. And the app is Wear Fit Pro. Alright, and you can see there the QR code of the Wear Fit Pro. So now guys, we're going to open the box. Okay, so upon opening the box guys, you can see there another small box here. It says they're designed it for building an excellent lifestyle. Right, so here is our strap guys, and it is in black. Okay, and we have also here the manual, so it's in English here, and I believe at the back it's also in Chinese. Okay, we have here our charger in white, and this one guys, there's no pins, so it means that we can just place the watch directly and it will charge. Alright, and we have here our NB Plus Smartwatch. Yes, so it says hello, so let's take this plastic out. Alright, so what I have here is it's in black. Yes, and for you to charge guys, you just have to place this one, and it is actually magnetic, so it is nice. So as you can see, it doesn't fall down. Yeah, so it's good. Yes. Okay, and now we're going to turn on our smartwatch. Alright, so okay, upon opening guys, you can see there the different language that you can choose. So let's choose English. Okay, alright, and that's it guys. Okay, and we have here a moving watch faces. So this one is like panda, yeah, Kung Fu Panda. And let's count how many watch faces does it have. So let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we've got 10 watch faces guys, and they are all are animated watch faces. So we have here Pikachu, so I personally like Pikachu guys. Okay, and we have here the screen itself. Okay, it's in TFT guys, and on the side, so we have here the crown. Yes, and it is actually working guys. Okay, and we have here another button, but this is only for design guys. It is actually not working here. And on the left, so we have there our speaker grill. Yes, and we have the sensors, yes, at the back. Okay, now when we are going to press the button here on the right guys, it will direct us to the applications, and when we are going to double tap, then it will give us the split screen there with the different kinds of shortcuts. Okay, and we're going to scroll down, then we have here the different shortcuts as well guys. So we have here Bluetooth call, and we have here the brightness, so you can turn it brighter or lower. Okay, the brightness. And we have here shortcut for settings, and this one is for money transaction, and this one is for like your business card QR code. Okay, and this is for lock screen. Okay, so it says there, guys, long press the side button for 3 seconds to unlock. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is nice. It's because sometimes when you're going to wear the watch and you accidentally tap the button or something, then it will consume the battery. Okay, now here, guys, look at this. We have here the bubble launcher, so you can zoom in and you can also zoom out. Alright, guys, so now let's look at the features of the watch. So let's start with this one here. So we have the breathe, guys. So this is a nice function for you to concentrate. So if you want to inhale, the watch is actually vibrating at the moment. And also when you try to exhale, it will also give you that vibration. Yes. Right, and then exhale. Alright, then we also have here this one, the blood pressure. Yes, so as you can see, guys, our sensors are lighting up. But if you have medical issues, guys, I don't recommend you to use the blood pressure. That is only for reference only. And it also supports countdown, guys. Yes, and the QR code is there. We also have here messages, so when you connect this one to your phone, then it will give you the notifications. We also have here shake to take picture. This is for remote taking photos. Okay, and we also have here the remote Bluetooth control. Yes. Okay, we also have here reboot function, and we also have here the call function, the Bluetooth call function. Okay, and the Bluetooth dial. Yes, and we also have here sleep do not disturb mode. Okay, and this one we have here shutdown. That's a shortcut. And we have here this stopwatch, as you can see. Then we also have here the indoor activities, guys. So it has indoor running, indoor cycling, swimming pool, sit-ups, push-ups, free movement. Yes, guys, I don't recommend you to use the swimming pool and submerge it into the water. It's because we don't really know for sure the IP67 capability of this watch. Okay, and we also have their heart rate. Yes, so the sensors are also lighting up. And we also have here, okay, we also have here the sleep monitoring. Yes, you can check that one. What else? We also have here screen time off, so the duration of your screen time, so you can choose like 3, 5, 7 or 10 seconds. Okay, what else? We also have here the watch faces. Okay, and we also have here the MET. This is for your kind of monitoring of your calorie. We also have your settings, guys. In the settings, you can have dimming if you want it to be lower or brighter, and screen time off, raise your wrist to wake. Yes, do not disturb mode, sound and vibration, language settings, connect to mobile phone, password, about, reboot, restore factory shutdown. Yes. Okay, and then we also have here weather. Yes. Alright, so we actually have the typical features that we have, and as you can see, the crown is really working, guys. So I'm gonna wear this and let me tell you how it feels. Alright, guys, so I'm already wearing now our NB Plus Smartwatch, and I can say, guys, it's pretty good Yes, and it's really fashionable. So if you want a watch that looks really like an iWatch, then this one is good for you. And one thing that I like also about this watch, it's because of its magnetic charger, that you don't have to worry if you misplace it because it is already magnetic. Yes, and also the watch faces, they are animated, so you can really have fun changing custom watch faces. If you're interested to purchase this product, just kindly click the link on the description box at the Cosmic Tech store on AliExpress. Okay, guys, so let me know what you think about our NB Plus smartwatch, and if you have it, please let me know if you also like it like I do. Okay, and if you have any questions, guys, just comment down below, and I will be making tutorials on how to set up this watch later on. Okay, so once again, guys, this is Josh, and guys, if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel, and also click the notification bell for you to be updated of the latest smartwatches. Okay, so again, guys, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.